Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to learn how to write data on Excel spreadsheets. We are using Openpyxl. I will have 5 videos for this subject for Excel. In this video, current video, which is video 1, we're going to learn how to input data in a nice format and also how to format cells and numbers we are putting. In the second video we will learn how to input formulas. In the third video we are going to learn plot graphs, and in video 4 we're gonna learn how to define a format for tables. For example, you have like 10 tables, you want all of them in the same format. We are going to define it with Python. That's very useful, especially if you are doing academical work or doing report. You need to all your table all in the same format. We're going to do it in video 4, and also we are going to do the same thing for the graphs. We're going to define a format that can be applied for all the graphs, so all of them will be in the same size and same format. This is very useful for academical and report works. Let's begin. So first of all, we need to pip install Openpyxl, and from there we're going to import workbook, and then from Openpyxl styles we're going to import font color and colors. So in order to do pip install, go to example 1, or just quickly do this, what I did here, and run it. So there's something wrong. Okay, and run it. So you got a script, you got your directory, and go to cmd command prompt cd change directory and pip install Openpyxl. That's it. I don't need this one anymore. So you import everything you need, and then say you have the list of A and you want to have in a nice format inside the Excel file, and then we need to create workbook, which I call it workbook WB, and then we need to define active worksheet and then give a title for it. So worksheet 1, I name it as a Pyxl, and then for raw in range of the length of the list of A. Okay, this list. So I'm saying append to this worksheet whatever is inside the list A on a column. Okay, so the row is changing but column is not changing. In order to do it in one row and different columns, we will do that later. So let's run this and see what will happen. Okay, let's run it and see what we got. Okay, we got Excel file, and yeah, we have Pyxl sheet, and these values we wanted in that list right here. So now we want to do it in one row and different columns. Let's do that. Okay, so I'm going to sell this, and then I'm going to name this I. Then in order to make column, so what we need here is this one. So this is like for the cell. Okay, it's equal to worksheet 1.cell, then column. The reason I'm saying column I plus 1 because we don't have 0 in Excel. So when Python goes over loop, start with 0. So we don't, if we give a column for 0, it's make no sense. So I plus 1, and then the row I want only 1, the first row, and the value I want to be list A, and then go over all this. Let's run this, and okay, then open it. Here it is. I'm going to do till 9. So what if we have two lists? You know, say you have analyzed some data and you got these two results and you want them inside a spreadsheet. So the list is list A and list B. So you want this input these values you got inside the spreadsheet. So this is distance B, for example, and this is A. Remember, each time you're saving, your file gonna change. You know, it's not like copying over it, it's totally changed. So remember, if you have an original file and you are writing on it, you're making it's something else. You're not changing, you're changing it completely. Okay, then come here and say for J in range of the length of L. Okay, then you're saying for J plus 1, so 0 and 1 gonna be 1 and 2, so 2 columns, and then you are saying value as L, J, and I. And we want our row, we want 2 columns actually. So I plus 1, and then if we run it, oh, this was open, so that's why we got error. Run it, and then see, yeah, we got distance A, distance B, and everything we need is right here. In order to format the cells and numbers inside and the header, first we need to define a font. For example, for header, the name of the font, the colors, like I put blue, if you want it bold or not, size, and underline. You want it double, you want it single, or single accounting, and any kind you need, you can define it there. And then you're gonna assign it to the cells that you need to, So I want for A1 and B1, which is our headers, A1 and B1, and I want them to this format. Okay, so A1.font and B1.font equal to what I defined right here. So if I run it, yeah, I got underline, blue, and bold, and the font is Calibri. How about doing it for many cells all together? So let's define font for body, for the numbers, not here, I'm saying like right here. So just I change the color to red, and I want bold the size, and I want the underline be single. For all the numbers I want to apply this. Then I need a for loop that goes from 2 to 13. The reason is right here is to start from 2. It's 12, but I put 13, so it will reach 12. And then assign A and B, define A and B, which is worksheet 1, A plus the strings of I and strings of I for B. So this will actually go and locate the cells we want, and then I'm gonna assign the font. We define it right here, font B. So let me run it and see what we got. Yes, great, we got them. So the next thing we want to do, we're gonna have sum right here, summation of all these values. So to do this summation, what I need, I just need to define that, locate the cell I want this cell, and then, you know, it's if I open this, I have to do some, that's right. So what I need, I just need to copy this, you know, I like type this one and put it right here. You see, that's all I need to do. Let's do for B13, B13, B2, B12, and you know, the most of the formula, this is the case, and it will work. Let's run it. You know, I have to open it, otherwise it's not gonna show right here. You can, as you did for the previous ones, you can format it, you can underline it, you can change the color and make it bold and everything else. So again, this is, you know, you have an analysis and you want the result of your analysis to be inside a spreadsheet. This is the way how you can do that. That was it for this video, and we will go for the next videos very soon. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for the other videos. We're gonna upload very soon, almost every day one. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.